Hello guys, we are Céanie and Fabien and we are sailing across France, Italy, Spain and all around the Mediterranean Sea. We are French and we speak English, so we wanted to share our content all around the world, so we do vlogs, tutorials, short films and many other things about our adventures. So do not hesitate to subscribe, share or comment.
Honey, it's impossible! Impossible!
What? What's the problem?
We are not gonna make it.
So we are sailing in the middle of the ocean and we cannot get across?
Where do you find all your ideas? No.
So maybe there is a zombie problem? Ok, c'est quoi le plan?
Je crois que Maxou a trouvé une voiture.
Mais je croyais qu'il n'y en avait plus.
Mais je crois que là, il en reste au moins une.
Ok, alors on y va.
Maxou? Maxou? Les gars! Il y a Maxou qui est zombifié aussi! We have so many things to put in the car. We will never be able to put everything in the car.
Hello guys! So today the day is the day we're going to leave the house and we're going to start the real vacations, the boat and all that you like. Yay! Let's go! Wow, so we have so many stuffs in the car, but everything fits, even the dogs. And like, if you take a look inside, it's like insane. Wow. I don't know where we are gonna sit, but we're gonna find a little place over there. So we did a little stop to eat something because it's already like 1 hour and a half that we are in the car. So we are at the half of the road. Let's eat.
Moi je vais être dans 1 étoile.
We are back in the car, so we just eaten. I was really hungry, so that's good. So we stopped again to chill and see like the beautiful landscapes. Let's see. Wow. In Netto, so you know it's like a grocery store in France. I think you know it too. And so we just arrived at Port de Bourg, so we're gonna find the boat after buying our stuff.
We are at the bakery to buy some bread.
Yes, I speak English a little.
Here we are! The boat! Ça fait du bien!
Ah ouais, ça fait du bien, ouais.
C'est bon, c'est bon! The boat, so now we're gonna walk a little bit, and tonight there is a special thing named des sardinades, so we're gonna go and see.
tous comme ça ou vous avez acquis Je pense que ça doit vraiment battre son plein.
Quelle est belle au mélo! Oh là 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 là, mais quelle est belle comme modèle!
We have eaten over there, so we're maybe going to go back to have a little ice cream before to go to sleep. So let's party tonight.
Yes!
Non, mais j'aurais pas dû dire vous avez volé. Mais enfin bon, c'est pas le problème. C'est pas acheté, c'est con. Mais elle travaille plus du coup pour moi.
Ça fait pas mal.
We have to buy boots for the spinnaker because we have a spinnaker but we do not have any boots to like put it on the boat. So today we're gonna go to the ship to buy boots, but we have to take like all the dimension of all the boots and the boats and everything to really have the good dimension to put the spinnaker. So that's our mission today, and maybe tomorrow the time and the weather will let us go on the water, so we hope, really we hope. Okay, so let's buy the things. Hello YouTube! So today is not really a good day because there's so many wind, we can just not get out with the boat, so we're gonna like go to the grocery store and buy stuff. But we're really sad because we really wanted to go out today, but we cannot. We are in the park, like we could let the dogs walk and everything. And I don't know if we already said that to you, but we bought a spinnaker for the boat, a new one who is big. So we really want to try it, and maybe we could try it tomorrow because today there's really too much wind. So we're not gonna go out with the boat, but we hope tomorrow we can go out. We're gonna go to Caro and we're gonna try this spinnaker, so let's see that tomorrow. First time to the sea. Let's go in the water. Let's go. So right now we're gonna buy all the boots for the spinnaker.
Yes!
Let's go.
Sérieux, cette chienne me saoule. Et je suis obligée de l'attacher. Parce que dès que quelqu'un part, elle veut partir avec. Elle est vraiment pénible.
To film the time when we're gonna buy the boots, but we just forgot, so We got them. First time out! Woo! We're outside right now. It's like high in the sky, the sky is blue, it's beautiful. So let's go and see what we're gonna have. We're going to the Napoleon Beach. So yeah, see you later. Wow.
Sorry for my English, but it's wonderful! Yay! Mais bon, maintenant tu peux te recoucher, c'est deux places, c'est bien. Je le sens, quoi.
Boat is going at 4 knots and there is like 10 knots of wind today, so it's fine, really cool. There's a lot of sun and the sky is so pretty.
Non, mais faut pas hésiter à en prendre quand t'as mal, t'en prends un et puis après tu en reprends que quand t'as très mal. C'est à la demande. Ça, j'en ai pris. La fille à la pharmacie. Mais c'est bizarre parce que t'aurais une côte cassée, tu serais noire.
So, usually, I don't know if you follow us, but we are filming our video with a big camera. So it's Ursa Mini. And so, usually I cannot film because it's too heavy for me, so we bought this little thing. Incredible. And so I am filming everything, and I am always filming his head, and so he's not happy. But you have to be filmed sometimes, okay? It's normal to be filmed.
I'm so disappointed.
Oh, disappointed. We just arrived to the Napoleon Beach and it's really pretty. We hope it's not gonna rain and maybe we're gonna go to the water.
The question is, she's going to the water or not? Us? Yes.
Alors elle est comment?
Elle est super chaude. Non, 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 elle est froide. C'est même pas plus là où ça va.
We thought we could go to the water, but it's raining, so we're not gonna go. We're just gonna go home. No.
We will eat and after go with the spinnaker. gonfler maintenant. Alors, on lâche-le. Oh putain, la taille des terrible quoi. C'est énorme. On va relâcher un peu la mûre. Je pense qu'on peut. J'utilise la vision super large de la GoPro. La taille du truc. Là déjà ça envoie hein. 72 mètres carrés.
On va attacher la chaîne, ouais.
Oui, oui.
Parce qu'il n'y a plus personne là-bas. Donc on va creuser un peu plus loin.
So, thanks to the spinnaker, we are going at 3.5 knots and there's only 7 knots of wind. So, it's really great. We're really happy of that spinnaker.
Carrément, tu le ramènes.
So, as you can see, we are slowly coming home. So, see you soon for new adventures!